What you doing, Finch?
Vacuum the guy.
Oh, vacuum the sky. Okay. That's your pose.
It's on.
Oh, it's on. What is that?
Vacuum.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're vacuuming yourself?
I'm gonna vacuum the door.
Oh, you're gonna vacuum the door? Whoa. Whoa, crazy vacuum on the loose.
Vacuum the hot tub.
Okay.
Vacuum the lantern. And loud.
Yeah. What are you vacuuming now? Oh, that's some good vacuuming. Oh, you're vacuuming the carpet? Oh, hey, Finch. Can you vacuum? Look at me. Can you vacuum the sky? Are you gonna vacuum B?
Now I'm nice and vacuumed.
What else can you vacuum?
The man in the bathroom.
Oh no, we don't vacuum instruments. How about Gramel? Oh, I'm getting vacuumed.
How about the door?
That's a good idea.
How about?
Oh, we don't vacuum spout.
How about the pet?
No, I don't think we vacuum plants.
How about the lantern?
Okay. Here, I'll take it. I'll take the lantern. Serious.
Thank you.
Can vacuum, Mama?
Oh, okay. Ah, you're vacuuming me. That's some serious vacuuming, buddy.
Can you vacuum the salad?
Okay.
Can you vacuum the garbage and the recycle? Can you vacuum the wipes?
Vacuum the wipes. Uh-oh, we don't vacuum wipes.
Can you vacuum the pillow?
The what? Oh, the pillow. Yeah.
Are you vacuum there?
No, we don't vacuum instruments.
We can vacuum the size.
Hey, can you vacuum my phone? Only with pretend vacuums.